Welcome to BookShark Virtual. Setting visibility dates. As a teacher, you may want to control your students' access to certain activities within a course. One way to do this is with visibility dates. When you set a visibility date for an activity, it will be hidden from your student until that date. Select a course from the Teacher app. Click the menu, then click Editor. From the Syllabus tab, locate the folder or individual activity you'd like to set a visibility date for and click the Edit icon. By default, the Activity tab is selected. Click the Settings tab. From the Visibility and Access card, check the box beside Blocked Student Access until a specified date. You can now specify the visibility date for this activity. When finished, be sure to click Save. The visibility date can now be seen from the Properties pane in the editor. You can also assign visibility dates from the Scheduling tab within the course editor. Click the Scheduling tab. The tab is broken up into three main sections: the Activity list, the Calendar, and the Properties pane. The Properties pane displays detailed information for the currently selected activity from the Activity list. The Activity list can be displayed in Syllabus View or List View. Syllabus View groups activities into folders for weeks and days. Click a folder to show or hide its contents. List View shows all assessments included in the course. The calendar can be filtered by due date, visibility date, and grade release date. Click Visibility Date. Please note that the calendar filter you select will remain active even after logging out. To assign a visibility date, drag and drop the activity onto a calendar date block. If you need to change a visibility date, simply drag and drop the activity from one calendar block to another. If you need to remove the visibility date altogether, click the date block containing the activity. Any activities that share this visibility date will be displayed below the calendar. Click the ellipses next to the desired activity and select Remove Visibility Date. Please be aware that clicking Delete will remove the activity from the course entirely.